The radar nice and clear after a somewhat rainy afternoon and evening across our area yesterday. Today will be a little cooler than yesterday. Yesterday we tied the record high in West Palm. We were very close to the record high in Vero Beach. Today our average highs are in the 70s. Upper 70s will be very close to average today, but it will be a little warmer than our average temperatures in the 70s and low 80s. The warmest spot around will probably be Boca at about 83 degrees. Now, nighttime lows. We've got a cold front that's edging its way down to our south this morning, but temperatures won't drop too much tonight. We still expect temperatures in the 60s and maybe a few low 70s. You will start to notice a difference Thursday night. There's a stronger cold front that will move through Thursday night. So by Friday night into Saturday morning, we're looking at 50s and low 60s, and then gradually our temperatures start to climb up again. I think the big surprise will be during the day on Friday when our high temperatures are very, very chilly. Here's a look at the boating forecast. Not as windy today. West-northwesterly winds 5 to 10, seas 2 to 3 feet, inland waters with a light chop today. Our highs low 80s, some upper 70s. 20% chance for rain. That'll just be some light rainfall possible this morning and this afternoon. Tomorrow, higher chances for rain, just ahead of that stronger cold front that moves on in. So we're looking at kind of a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow, and that chance for rain picking up as the cold front approaches. It'll push through Thursday night into Friday morning, and Friday we will struggle to make it out of the 60s for highs. Most of our high temperatures will be in the 60s on Friday. We'll have a few low 70s around, maybe a couple of showers, and certainly a chilly breeze out of the north. The weekend looks great. Saturday, only a 10% chance for rain, breezy and mild temperatures. And then on Sunday, a little warmer with a slightly higher chance for rain. That's a look at your forecast.